Hello folks! Welcome to the Exploring the Nest channel. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of the Azulão bird, one of the most enchanting birds found in South America. Get ready to discover amazing information about this species and learn how people can contribute to its conservation. So let's get started. Before we begin, I'd like to thank all our subscribers and followers who have sent us suggestions and questions about these topics in general. It's based on these interactions that we've prepared this special video for you. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive all our updates. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the CYANOLOXIA brissonii bird, more commonly known in Brazil as the Azulão. Did you know it's renowned for its melodious song and dazzling plumage? That's right. But there's much more to discover. Let's start with its scientific name and classification. The Azulão, or CYANOLOXIA brissonii, belongs to the Cardinalidae family, which includes other birds like cardinals and tanagers. It's an endemic species of South America, found in countries such as Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Bolivia. In Brazil, you can find it throughout the territory, from the north region to the south of the country. Now let's talk a bit about the geographical distribution of the Azulão. It can be found in different habitats, including riparian forests, savannas, forest edges, and areas with dense vegetation. They have a preference for locations near water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. Fascinating, isn't it? Physical characteristics and dimorphism between male and female. One of the most striking characteristics of the Azulão is its plumage. Adult males have a bright blue color on their back, head, and tail, with a black spot on their throat. Females, on the other hand, have a grayish-brown coloration with lighter streaks on the chest. This is an example of sexual dimorphism, where males and females have distinct appearances. It's a common trait in many bird species. So, have you ever had the opportunity to observe an Azulão in person, in any of the countries where it inhabits? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences and sightings. Now let's talk about the Azulão's diet. They primarily feed on seeds and fruit. They consume a variety of plants, including fig trees, guava trees, jabuticaba trees, and other species with small fruits. During the breeding season, they also supplement their diet with insects. It's an interesting strategy to ensure a balanced diet. Vocal behavior. The Azulão's song is simply enchanting. Males primarily sing during the breeding period to attract females and mark their territories. Each male has its own repertoire of songs, which contributes to sound individualization and territoriality. The reason why Azulão males in each region have a unique repertoire is because they learn to sing from their fathers. So in each region where the Azulão is present, the song of each male has its accent that differentiates it. Can you imagine waking up to this marvelous sound in the morning? Now let's delve into the world of Azulão reproduction. During this phase, males establish territories and defend them from other males. They use their songs, display of colorful plumage, and aggressive behaviors to protect their territory and attract females. Nests and egg laying. Speaking of females, they are the ones that build the nests, usually in trees or shrubs, using materials like roots, plant fibers, and dry leaves. Azulão nests are true avian engineering marvels. They are carefully hidden in dense vegetation to protect the eggs and chicks from predators. The female is responsible for nest construction and egg incubation, which typically consists of 2 to 3 eggs. Incubation lasts approximately 12 to 14 days. It's incredible how these birds know how to create safe and nurturing environments for their offspring. Chicks and parental care. After the eggs hatch, both the male and female participate in the care of the chicks. They feed them insects and small fruits, ensuring their healthy growth. The chicks remain in the nest for about 2 weeks before they fledge and become independent. It's a crucial period for the development of these young birds. If you'd like to see the beauty and grace of the Azulão up close, a great way to attract these birds is to visit regions with native fruit trees, such as pitanga, araca, jabuticaba, and guabiroba. In addition to providing food for the Azulão, you'll contribute to the preservation of the region's biodiversity. How about starting an incredible project today to go and see the Azulão in its habitat? Social behavior. The Azulão, despite being territorial during the breeding season, can also be observed in small groups outside of this period. They interact socially and can feed in mixed flocks with other bird species. It's always fascinating to observe these interactions between different species in nature. Ecological importance and cultural symbolism. The Azulão plays an important role in seed dispersal, contributing to the regeneration of forested areas. Furthermore, their presence and song enrich biodiversity and provide a visual and auditory spectacle in the regions where they occur. It's no wonder that the Azulão is considered a symbol of good luck and happiness in some cultures. Their presence is often associated with harmony and lush nature. Conservation and protection. To protect the Azulão and other bird species, it's crucial to preserve their natural habitats, avoid illegal capture, and trade of wild birds. Moreover, it's essential to promote awareness about the importance of biodiversity conservation. Each one of us can contribute to the protection of these marvelous birds and the environment as a whole. We've reached the end of this video full of information about the CYANOLOXIA brissonii bird, known as the Azulão. I hope you've learned a lot about this fascinating species and feel motivated to make a difference for biodiversity. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel to not miss any exclusive content about birds and nature. Thank you very much for watching, and until our next adventure,